feels so good. My God. I could do this for hours, honestly. Hi Vogue, I'm Karen Elson, and watch me do my working from home makeup look. I am going to show you all the fun little tricks that I have that make my skin feel really lovely, glowing, and look good on Zoom during these crazy times. Every morning, I always use a good face oil. This is one I just adore. Oh God, my face needs this. Oh, so badly. Then a little face cream. Sometimes I like mix in the residue of the face oil with the cream and just kind of pat it all in again. Then the next thing I do is to use a roller, a rose quartz roller, but you put it in ice and it kind of sets the sort of face oil, the moisturizer. Oh, it feels so good, my God. There's days where maybe rolling out of bed in my pajamas isn't the appropriate thing for a Zoom meeting. Got my foundation. You don't want to look like you've done too much. Then, secret weapon, a good blending brush. That is everything. It's all about the little subtle tricks. So next up, I'm going to mix a few little cheek stains. Paint on cheek stain. I use my fingers a lot, my hands and my fingers when I put on makeup. It feels more lived in, it feels more part of your skin. Now I'm using another cheek stain. I love this one so much. It's sort of a very kind of petally pink, peachy stain I put on top of this. And if you're pale like me, a lot of these colors really pop. And sometimes I put on the cheek stain on my lips as well. It's so just subtle and lovely. And now onto eyebrows. Having very fair eyebrows, I do love fiber gel that kind of fills in your eyebrows, and I just brush it in. And then I also use a blonde pencil to kind of fill in the middle part just a little teeny bit, just to give it a bit more definition. Everything I do at each step of the way, I just kind of smudge it all together. Now I'm going to put on a taupe eyeshadow, 2 shades of taupe, one lighter, one darker. Then get a brush to smudge it all in again and blend it so it doesn't look too kind of panda-like. And then get a littler brush and get the darker shade and just kind of get it in. Now I think I'm gonna use some mascara. I cannot go a day without it. And I'm using a waterproof mascara as well. It'll last all day long. And I always put it on the bottom as well. I know some people don't want to do that, but I just love my entire lashes being coated. And now I'm going to put on a lovely lip stain. I love this. It's in a very subtle kind of petally pink color. I love this stuff so much. I'm going to add one more little touch to my eyes as well. More of a gel eyeshadow. It's in this really lovely kind of lavender shade. The kind of wetness adds another dewy look. I'm going to use some highlighter, like a lovely sort of corally, pearly shade. Not too much, but enough just to kind of have things pop. Final thing I'm gonna do, just to kind of warm me up, I'm gonna use glowing, warming powder. Being a very pale redhead, it's sort of anything I can do just to give myself a little warmth. Rub it all in together and make it all seem super, super lovely, natural. And then just a little bit of this lovely lip gloss. All right, now for the very final last touches. I have rose water. Again, I keep it in the fridge because when you spray it on your face, it just feels so lovely. I'm looking for my powder. I have a teenage daughter who loves to steal all my makeup, so I just have to use another little powder here. Just to add a little bit more dewiness. These are just a few little things that you can do at home that make you look Zoom ready. Alrighty. So this is my finished working from home makeup look. Hi Vogue, I'm Karen Elson. To watch more videos, subscribe here.